If ever there were two words that are confusing in English, it's this and this. Even native speakers mix these two up. So in today's lesson, I'm going to show you a great way to remember which is the correct word to use. And all with a little help from Harry Potter. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. The first thing that you should know is that because the A and the E at the beginning of these words are both changed to the schwa sound, that's that little sound that's so common in English, they sound almost identical. Listen, effect, effect. Can you hear a difference? Effect, effect. Technically, there is a difference. It's the stress. However, it is tiny, so much so you can ignore it. So say these two words together, effect, effect. You try. Because these words sound identical in everyday use, it means it's more important to know the meaning when you write them than when you say them. But of course, you should know the meaning of every word that you say. So let's start with effect with an A. This is a verb, which is an action word. So effect with an A is used when something causes something to change. For example, switching on a light affects what you can see. Remember it like this. Affect starts with an A, and so does action. Now, effect with an E is a noun, and this is what change takes place after an action. In other words, it's the end result. For example, you clicking the like button will have a positive effect on this channel. Remember it like this. Effect starts with an E, and so does end. Let's use Harry Potter to explain the whole thing. When Harry Potter does the action of waving his wand, he's affecting the vase. The end result is the vase breaks, and that's the effect. Next, take this little test to make sure you've got the difference between the two words clear in your head. What's the missing word in this sentence? The storm, the town. Is it A, affected with an A, or B, affected with an E? The answer's A, affect with an A. The next question. What word's missing here? The loud music had a positive on the atmosphere. Is it A, effect with an A, or B, effect with an E? The answer's B, effect with an E. Next question. What's the missing word in this sentence? Her kindness, everyone. Is it A, affected with an A, or B, affected with an E? The answer's A, affected with an A. Our next question. The potion had a magical. Is it A, effect with an A, or B, effect with an E? And the answer's B, effect with an E. Our next question. What word is missing here? The happy news had a on everyone. Is it A, effect with an A, or B, effect with an E? And the answer's B, effect with an E. Next, click this link, which will definitely have a positive effect on your English learning. I'll see you next time.